Wednesday, 1st of May 2024, Feast of Saint Joseph the Worker. Focus. God blessed the seventh day because on it God rested from all his work. Today's feast was instituted by Pope Pius XII to help workers acquire a Christian understanding of work and its dignity. Saint Joseph worked hard as a carpenter to provide for his family, Mary and Jesus. We work and often overwork to please our boss for a promotion or for extra money. Working hard should not mean working unfairly long hours. The author of the Bible creation narrative teaches that God created the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh, making it sacred that we may learn to keep a day holy unto the Lord. Sunday is our day of rest with the Lord and time to be with our family. For those who have work or pressing engagements on Sunday, the church provides the Vigil Mass on Saturday evening. There is no excuse to skip participation in the Sunday liturgy in obedience to the church and to God. God works in our lives, healing, providing, and protecting. Often, we do not even acknowledge His blessings. Jesus preached and healed wherever He went. However, He could not do much in His own hometown as they did not honor Him. Are we like them? Could we allow Jesus to work in us? Fruit. I will dedicate Sunday to participating in the Eucharist, spend time in prayer and thanksgiving to God, and so receive grace to live the week ahead.